Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable beauty mode in TikTok. Unlike a direct filter you place your face when recording a video, the beauty mode is somewhat different. Most of the options in the beauty mode features are catered to the makeup and basic beautifying options that people use for their faces. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Now tap on retouch that is on the right side of your screen with the human-like icon. A pop-up will appear with a lot of effects. In this video I'm using brow lift and click the video. So that is how you enable beauty mode in TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.